night anchor in Dry Tortugas. You can hear the birds. Bunch of birds out here. I'm gonna tighten this stuff up. Oh, get the dinghy going, but it is windy. Good morning! We just got to Dry Tortugas on the dinghy. The top of I'm letting go a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing donut time. Alright, done with going around the fort. Going back out, we're gonna check the beach out now. Right now, the beach is closed because the birds are all nesting. So this whole area is shut down from the birds. Got too close. Attacking the birds. Too close. There's alligators out here. Well, I just lost my hat in the ocean and I had to go fishing. Mackerel that I caught. Hey, Mia loves mackerel. Yummy! Yummy mackerel. Oh yeah, she's eating so much mackerel.
Mia, you ready for ocean adventure? Ocean adventure? Yay!
Okay, today we are pretty exhausted. It's like 6 o'clock. We just had dinner. We had some yummy steaks. But today was pretty epic because we got to swim with a huge goliath grouper. And now it's time for a snack. Good morning. It is night 2 adventure here at Dry Tortugas. Mia was being a little barky bear this morning. Today I think we're gonna go to a trek that is directly south, which I believe is that way over there. It's supposed to be a big wreck or go snorkeling because it's a shallow wreck. We're actually kind of lazy to bring out all the dive equipment, so we may not go diving here. The diving spot's really far away too. There's a place called Loggerhead Key that we wanted to go to, but it's 3 miles away. So we need to go there and anchor for the night. And we'll take a dinghy. But we'll see what we do. Full speed ahead! Catch the airplane!